Okay, we're testing a claim that having lights on at night increases weight gain. So a sample of 10 mice lived in an environment with bright light on them all the time, and 8 mice who lived in an environment with normal light or dark cycle is given below. Test the claim at a 4% level of significance. So notice that alpha is not equal to 0.01 or 0.05 or 0.1, but it's they're going to test at a 4%. We still do exactly the same thing that we did before. We're just looking at a different alpha value that we haven't seen, and that's okay. So they're doing x sub 1 is your sample for your light, and x sub 2. So I'm going to do h sub 0. Your null is that there's no difference in their weight. So mu sub 1, which is going to be for the x sub 1, the light, will be equal to mu sub 2. And h sub a, let me get this, you're testing that the claim increases, if that having lights on at night increases weight gain. So you would think that your mu sub 1 is going to be greater than mu sub 2. And that's your claim. It increases the weight. Okay. Now we'll try this one more time. I know in the previous example, this did not copy well into StatDisk. And we had to go into Excel. We'll try it again. See what it does. Clear. Control V. Double check it. Now this one did. The other one did not. So again, it just depends on how this table was built in MyOfMath. If this did not copy correctly in, I would go ahead and open up Excel and copy it into that, and then copy from Excel into StatDisk. So we're already on again, analysis, hypothesis testing, 2 independent samples. We're going to use the data. Your alternative is going to be mu is greater than. Okay, so it will be this one. Significance is going to be 0.04. 1 and 2. We don't know the population standard deviation. And do not pool the variances. Not pool. I don't think we're ever going to be pooling variances. So notice that our test statistic T is equal to 2.40754. And our p-value is equal to 0.01515. Okay. Mu sub 1 equals mu sub 2. Mu sub 1 is greater than mu sub 2. How many decimal places? 3. 2.408. 0.015. So P is less than or equal to alpha, or in other words, 0.015 is less than 0.04. Therefore, we're going to reject the null in favor of the alternative. And conclude, and then dot dot dot. You get that from your problem. Okay. Reject the null. There is enough evidence to support the claim, and the claim was the alternative was that increasing the light did increase the weight gain. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.